Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? So I'm here at the shop that I work at. We're closed on the weekends, but I'm here working on my van. My brakes locked up on me, and I destroyed both axles as a result. So, hopefully there's no other damage, but I don't know. I'm going to do what I can do today. But the original reason that I wanted to make the video is, I've been trying to get my subscriber numbers up and views and everything else. You know what I'm saying? So what I did, and so I got these magnets for my channel. So if you're interested in the magnet, go ahead and if you're already subscribed to me, don't worry. You know what I'm saying? Just I'm gonna put my my email address in the description, and just email me, and I'll get a magnet to you. Anybody else that's interested in a magnet, go ahead and subscribe, and then email me and shoot me your info, and I'll send you a magnet as well. Now this is series 1. This was kind of just a little test run on these magnets that I made here. I think I'm going to do a couple other series of them. The quality is pretty good. I'm going to do a different picture for the next. They're all going to be different each time. So also, if you guys are on Instagram, I'm going to be putting my Instagram link in the description as well. But here's a preview of what the magnets look like. This was just a test run, real basic. It's got my picture on there, and then my YouTube name on the top, and then the link to my channel on the bottom. I don't know. I'm just trying to get my subscribers up. Hope y'all are having a good day. I'm here enjoying mine so far. I got my extra large thermos of coffee, so I can't complain. All right, I hope you guys and gals have a good day. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and leave me a comment why, and maybe I can, and I'll do something to change it. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I make a video. Other than that, have a good day.